Hi everybody, it's Karen from Orbit Crochet. Just a quickie to show you the fantastic Valentine's Day haul I got from Mr. Orbit. Isn't he fantastic? He knows me so well. I'm so pleased. Look at the size of this. These balls or skeins of yarn are 400 grams each. Isn't that amazing? And there are 6 of them. So I've just popped this one out of its bag to show you. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. This is Aran or worsted weight. And as you can see here, machine washable, 30 degrees, fantastic. And guess where it's from? Yes, Aldi. That's amazing. 75% acrylic and 25% wool. There is 800 meters in this thing. 800 meters. It is gorgeous. This is a colour they're calling damson. And I've got grey and teal as well. Teal and grey over there. Okay, excuse me for moving around. Now I've used Aldi's wool before, or yarn before, and I made this gorgeous corner to corner scarf with it before. I made that from Christmas. I think they've called this Frost. I might be wrong, and I'm not sure it's still available on their website, but thumbs up to Aldi. Fantastic yarn. I love this scarf. It's one of my favourites. So I've got, I can't believe how much of this stuff I've got. 400 grams. My goodness me, fantastic. And, ta-da, look at those. These are like carrot cakes. I was in Hobbycraft the other day and I saw carrot cakes and I was really tempted to get some, and hubby was kind of steering me away. And now I know why, because he'd already got me exactly the colours I was looking at. Now this one is gorgeous. It's sort of a corally peach and a grey that's cream there. I don't know if you can see it very well. And right in the centre is peach, and it's a little stronger on the inside there. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Worsted weight again. 80% acrylic, 20% wool. Absolutely amazing. I'm really, really pleased with all of this. And bonus! Look at that, an embroidery kit for $4.99. I have no idea how much the yarn was. Oh, it says so. That's $3.99. And that's $4.99. Whoa, that is such good value. Well done, Aldi. Thumbs up there. Now, hubby bought the embroidery kit because I'm always complaining that I'm not that dexterous with a needle, and I think this is fantastic. Now in this kit, apparently you can make all of these things. There's enough yarn in there to make all of it. So I'm really looking forward to doing that. And this one too. I had mentioned macrame before. I fancy doing that. I fancy making some of those things. There's a string bag there, so we don't have to get any plastic shopping bags. Plant hanger, wall hangings, fantastic. I am so pleased. So as you can see here, I got one major haul, 3.2 kilos in total of yarn. That's amazing, isn't it? 3.2 kilos. What am I going to make with all this? Anyway, needless to say, I am feeling totally loved up, and I want to say thank you, Mr. Orbit. Love it. Hope you're all having a great day and keep crocheting. Happy crochet. Bye.